Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide. This is a video I was really hoping I would never have to make. It saddens me to say that in February 2020, the Nightmare roller coaster at the former Camelot theme park has started to be demolished. Now there's a look at the entrance to Camelot theme park. It's been standing like that for 8 years, ever since the park closed back in 2012. And here's a little look at some images that we've took from the perimeter of the theme park, looking in at Nightmare, that was the signature ride at the park. Just to say that all these images were captured from outside of the park boundary via public footpaths, and also as well from a nearby hotel that does still operate. As we can see, some real sad images here, and we can see that this coaster will not be having a life at any other park again. It's going to be scrap metal. It's being completely ripped down and demolished. As we can see from the track section there, that was part of the first drop. It has just been ripped down, and as you're going to see here from these images over the next couple of minutes, they're not nice, especially if you've been to that theme park and you went on Nightmare and experienced it. It will make you really sad to see these. But we make our way around the perimeter and eventually get round towards the back of the coaster, where we get more of a closer look at that deconstruction. Now, the coaster itself was actually built in 1987 and operated at a theme park in Japan. It was called BRMX. It operated there until 2006, and then it was purchased by Camelot Theme Park and operated from 2007 through until 2012. It was manufactured by Zera, that have done many different rides across the world, a very well-known manufacturer. However, the layout itself was completed by Schwarzkopf, similar to a lot of other rides that have had that done out there before. Now, the ride itself was 86 foot tall. There was 2,601 feet of track, so it was a great ride. It had a G-force of 5G. It was fantastic, a really intense ride, and it's just so sad, isn't it, seeing it come down like this. When we got round to the back here, we saw the construction team and demolition team from Squibb that were actually there removing the ride. It was quite a windy day today when we went down there on the 17th of February 2020. That's when these shots are from, but you can see there some images of them. They're actually there on the day removing parts of the ride, and yeah, it's just been torn down to shreds. Unfortunately, when we did see it close up, it's been there for 8 years now like that. I can kind of see now why it's had to be scrapped. From the nearby motorway, the M6, you can look over at it on your way up to Blackpool and think, surely they can fix the coaster, surely they can spend some money and sell it to another park. After seeing it close up, it's been rotting away for a long time. It would have cost an absolute fortune for a park to have refurbished it, then took it down and transported it to a new park. It's very sad that it's ended up like this. I think someone could have saved it if it was a few years ago, but it's just been sat there for too long now. It's too late. It's goodbye to Nightmare, and it does make me very sad. We did manage to capture a lot of other parts of the park from outside of Camelot today. I'm going to be doing another video on that here on Theme Park Worldwide, similar to how I did a documentary about the American Adventure theme park. And that's going to be coming up soon in the next few weeks on the channel. You can see a little look there at what's going to be coming up, such as some of the remains there from the diesel coaster, what they had, Magic Spell, which was one of the shops. We got some great images from outside the park. But I'd just like to say RIP to Nightmare, and thanks for the memories. Share your memories down below at Camelot Theme Park from 2007 through until 2012. Thanks for watching, and that means it's time to cue those credits.